feel free to ask any questions you want. This is your pipe, your video. A couple rags here, and we'll start pulling it back, and I'll tell you what you got going on. It's got quite a lot of weirdness happening in it. Well, from what I could see going in, it was pretty good. So, here's the city. We drop down into the city. That's like the city main right there. So the reason why we can't see much is because water trickling down is going right down the lens. What's interesting is it looks like you're in some sort of a chimney type thing, like a shared chimney. We can pull records from the city and stuff like that, but I'm trying to get this pen out. So it looks like you're probably doing something like this, like where like you're coming in like this, and then there's stuff up here. You know, we're like my camera's right here. I'm guessing that someone else is tying it up here at some point. So you know, it's sometimes they'll come in where they Y like that, and they're called a breach sewer. I don't know if this would still be considered a breach sewer or if it's just a shared sewer. It's kind of hard to say. Things that stinks for is that, like lining is one of the things I do. I think we talked a little bit about that on the phone.
Yep.
We wouldn't be able to line past this spot just because we don't want to cut that off, which isn't a big deal. I mean, there's not much pipe left and there's nothing in there, you know. So
it's just a couple feet that dives down into
yeah, which I probably wouldn't want to line that anyways. So the other thing you got going on here is there's like an offset here a little bit, it looks like. And right here it looks like the pipe's dipping down. You're going to see us kind of go underwater a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's got a little belly in it. Not too bad. Very light roots there. And some more little light roots there.
Do those roots come through at seams?
Yep, at the seams, yep. Okay. The joints just fail. So here's another little drop. So your sewer kind of goes like this. A roller coaster kind of thing. It's usually you don't see that. And so that white, it's kind of like an optical illusion, but that's the 90 kind of going down, you know, or 45. It looks like it's like broken. Yeah, so let's see how the rest of this looks. So this is 6-inch clay tile pipe. This is the stuff that we most worry about.
And why do you worry about it more? Is it because it's bigger, or?
It's more prone to damage, you know, cracks and stuff like that, and it gets weaker. All this stuff is at the end of its lifespan. You know, this stuff was designed the last 50 years, and we're well beyond that now, you know. So, so far, I mean, for what it is, it looks pretty good.
Do they normally run like pretty much straight out to the street?
Mm-hmm. Normally.
Okay.
Northeast can be weird because of the rock.
So they hit something big. They
just go around it, yeah, you know, but which might be why yours does this thing or something, you know, I don't know, you know, maybe there's a rock shelf out in the street or something that they wanted to get around.
They just had to drop off.
Yeah, who knows.
Foot or something.
So there's the 4x6 connection again. Some very light roots there. And there we are, up and out.